AZ86032 all-in-one optical dissolved oxygen pH and conductivity combo meter. As industries increasingly emphasize water quality monitoring, a fast tool to check multiple parameters simultaneously is essential. AZ86032 is the all-in-one water quality tester, which measures dissolved oxygen, pH, conductivity, TDS, salinity, and temperature. pH probe with special formula works well even with low ionic strength water. Conductivity probe is with wide measuring range, up to seawater level. The integrated optical dissolved oxygen probe for precise dissolved oxygen readings with minimal maintenance, unaffected by acid gas. Small sample volume is also available. Manual barometric and salinity compensation suitable for any location. Anti-collision protective cap is provided to protect all three probes. Moreover, it features in simple plug and read operation, robust case at IP67 waterproof level, automatic temperature compensation design in all three probes, manual memory record and recall function. AZ86032 all-in-one water quality meter is the perfect tool for water quality check in aqua farms, lake waters, swimming pool, wastewater field and more. Being the pioneer since 1991, AZ also offers a wide range of water quality meters to fulfill your need. AZ Taiwan Measure, your optimal choice.